Hello, dear students. How are you? Hope you are absolutely fine. Today, we would take up the same story, chapter number 9, Specklet Band, which we have already started. So, let's start the reading from page number 124, paragraph number 3rd. That is not difficult, replied Miss Stoner. That terrible night has been burnt into my memory. Burnt, we can say, fixed into my memory. Now, the manor is very old and we only live in the one part of it. Okay, our house is very old and we live only the one part of it. The three bedrooms were occupied are on the ground floor. The first is Dr. Roylott. Next to the that was my sister's room, Miss Julia's room, and then is mine. Okay, then is Helen's room. And there are no doors that connect the rooms internally. However, they all open out to the same corridor. Their window look out on the lawn. The night my sister died, she was in my room. ठीक है, the same night when the Julia's was died, she was in Helen's room, and we chatted. We can say gossips till about 11 o'clock. And Julia and Helen's they both gossips with each other near about 11 o'clock. And then when she was leaving my room, she asked me, Helen, have you ever heard anyone whistle in the middle of the night? I hadn't. And she asked me, Helen, have you ever heard anyone whistle in the middle of the night? That night I could not sleep. There was a terrible storm. एंड क्वाइट लेट आई हर्ड माई सिस्टर स्क्रीम. ठीक है कि उसके बाद उसको अपनी स्क्रीम मीन्स अ लाउड क्राई ऑफ हर सिस्टर मीन्स जूलियस. ठीक है, शी हर्ड द लाउड क्राई ऑफ जूलियस एंड आई ran out immediately. As soon as I opened my door, I heard a low whistle. Just like Julia had. Now, Helen also heard a low whistle, same sound that Julia had heard. ठीक है, then a clanging sound, ring sound, same just something metallic had fallen. ठीक है, something made of metal had fallen. I ran down the corridor to Julia's room and saw that her door was open. I didn't know what to exact. ठीक है, what is the exact, what is the right position, I didn't know, but I found her standing near the door, her face white with fear. I ran to her, and as I did, she fell to the ground. I could tell she was in terrible pain, but I don't know why. ठीक है, she was in terrible pain, but was the cause of her pain I don't know. Clear? She looked at me in horror and said, कि she looked at me very terribly and said, Helen, it was the specklet band, and then fainted. ठीक है, it was a poisonous snake with yellow spot on his body, and then fainted, and then she fainted. I rushed to get my stepfather, but neither of us, ठीक है, could revive her. Could revive means he could save her life. ठीक है, not regain the head Julia's life. She died shortly after, and after some time she died. ठीक है, she was died. Now Miss Stoner continue, I'm here, Mr. Holmes, because I'm afraid for my life. Okay, now I'm afraid about my life. It has been 2 lonely years, 2 lonely years since Julia died. A month ago, a dear old friend, Percy Armitage, asked me to marry him. We shall be married this spring. However, 2 days ago, my stepfather started some renovation work on the wall outside my bedroom. Clear? And due to this I have been forced, ठीक है, कि due to this I have been forced to move into Julia's old room. Imagine, Mr. Holmes, my terror when I heard a low whistle in the middle of last night. I lit a lamp immediately, but found nothing. ठीक है, कि I didn't found anything in the room. I waited till dawn. ठीक है, I am waiting for till dawn. ठीक है, for the first appearance of the light in the sky in the morning. and creeped out of the house. Creeped means run out from the house as soon as I could. ठीक है? And now I'm here. So now I'm here. Is there a way for Watson and myself to come to Stock Modern? ठीक है? Then Sherlock asked from Helen, कि is there a way for Watson and myself to come to Stockmartin? I would like to examine these rooms without your stepfather finding out. ठीक है कि first of all I want to examine your all 3 bedroom, but in the absence of your stepfather. ठीक है, so quite coincidentally, quite means fully, fully coincidentally, Dr. Roylott had told Miss Turner that he would be in town on an important business that very day. ठीक है, he had a very important business in the city, and our visitor planned to run some errands task, then so go home in the noon train. We would meet her shortly after. ठीक है, same time कि it was a coincidence, we can say कि Dr. Roylott had a very important work in the town in the same day. So Miss Helen informed the Sherlock that you can come to home and investigate what you want to do, and we would meet here shortly after. After our visitor left, we sat discussing the case. We both proposed theories, all of which seemed improbable. ठीक है, all of which seemed improbable, we can say a doubtful. Clear? After breakfast, Sherlock went out. He returned around 1 o'clock with news. I have seen the late Mrs. Stoner will. ठीक है कि he had seen Mrs. Stoner's will. Mrs. Stoner's means Helen and Julia's mother's will. It seemed her funds have gone down, and after seeing her will, that it was absolutely clear her funds was decreasing day by day. When our Miss Stoner gets married and claims her share, Dr. Roylott will not be left with much. ठीक है, then with Dr. Roylott will not be left much money. It seemed clear that he has a motive to harm her. ठीक है कि after seeing the will, that it is clear कि for money purpose he wanted to harm her, or would not you say? ठीक है, now there is not a moment to lost. Without wasting much time, we were on the way shortly. We were our way shortly. ठीक है, we were on our way shortly. Now some hours later, we were walking distance from Stockman. We found Miss Turner waiting for us by the road. She is already waiting for them on the way. ठीक है, and some hours later, she was very pleased that we had arrived so soon. First, Holmes wanted to examine the wall outside Miss Stoner's room. First, he wanted to check the wall. Examine the wall. Examine means check the wall outside Miss Stoner's room. The one being repaired. It concluded that there was no real need to repair. There was no need any type of repair the wall in the first place. Indeed, I believe that it was an excuse to move me from my room. Then Helen said, yeah, Miss Turner said कि okay, हो सकता है कि it was an excuse to move me from my room to Julia's room. Next, he made the lady go to her sister's room and lock the window. Next, उन्होंने क्या किया कि he made the lady go to her sister's room and lock the windows. After carefully examining those, we realized that there was no way to enter the room through the windows. Then we went inside in Julia's old room. Holmes sat in a chair and silently surveyed every little detail. Okay, he sat silently and he examined each and everything very carefully. Okay, today we will do the reading up to here. Next part of the story we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good day.